Everything you think you know about how you see is wrong.
1,000 years ago, a Muslim scientist locked himself in a dark room
and discovered the secret that would birth photography, cameras, and modern physics.
Year 1021, Baghdad, the center of human knowledge.
His name was Ibn al-Haytham, a mathematician, physicist, and philosopher. For centuries, humanity believed vision worked by light shooting from our eyes.
Even Aristotle and Ptolemy taught this. But Ibn al-Haytham questioned everything.
He asked a simple question: if light shoots from our eyes, why can't we see in darkness?
Why do bright lights hurt our eyes if WEE are the ones emitting light?
He built the world's first Camera Obscura, a dark box with a tiny hole.
Then he locked himself inside a dark room for months.
In that moment, he understood. Light doesn't come from the eye.
Light travels in straight lines from objects into our eyes.
He spent years documenting every experiment, every observation, every proof.
He mapped the human eye's anatomy with shocking accuracy. He discovered refraction, how light bends passing through different materials.
He explained reflection, why mirrors work, the exact mathematics of bouncing light. In 1021, he published the Book of Optics, 7 volumes, 600 pages.
It revolutionized human understanding of light, vision, and perception.
But here's what makes this miraculous. He was a devout Muslim.
The Quran spoke of light as divine guidance. Allah is the light of the heavens and earth.
For him, studying creation was worship. Science was faith.
He wasn't alone. The Islamic world pioneered the scientific method itself.
Ibn al-Haytham wrote, "Truth is sought for itself. Finding truth requires questioning everything."
His work on lenses would eventually enable telescopes, microscopes, and cameras.
Without him, no eyeglasses, no photography, no fiber optics. His books traveled to Europe, translated into Latin, studied by Roger Bacon, Da Vinci, Kepler.
Ibn al-Haytham died in 1040, having lived 75 years of relentless curiosity.
For 600 years, his Book of Optics was the authority on vision and light.
Every camera today uses his Camera Obscura principle.
NASA named a crater on the moon after him. The International Year of Light honored him.
His legacy isn't just scientific. It's a message about faith and reason.
He proved that religion and science aren't enemies. They're partners in seeking truth.
The Quran commands 96 times, read, observe, think, consider.
Ibn al-Haytham answered the call. He observed creation and discovered its secrets.
1,000 years ago, a Muslim scientist lit a candle, and we're still seeing by its light.